Kolkata ki RJ Kar Hospital ki PG Trainee Dr. Nupi ama rep touraba matung meehat thina Hatkhiba Thouong adu Yaningdaba Uttuna ngasi Porompat leiba Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Jnims ki residential doctor faculty amadi medical staff singna hospital asigi OPD mamang da Wakat Khongjang Changsinkhre Wakat mifam aduda we want justice delay is justice denied violence against doctor is violence against humanity hang the rapist haina iba placard kaya siznakhe Wakat mifam aduga mari lainana Resident Doctors Association Jnims ki General Secretary Dr. Subham Pandena hai mathau tawba loiduna ngayak pothari ngai da geng khupu amana Dr. Nupi amada chathakhiba lichat adu miyoi bagi minung sigi wangmadani miyoi amagi punsi karisu leitana hatpa asida chenaba sing adu sibagi chairak pigadabani thaudok ase ana layengi lamda thabak tawriba singi oinadi Khwaidagi laibak thiba thaudok amani thaudok aduda chenariba sing athuba matamda sibagi chairak pigadabani amadi doctor singna mathau tawba matamda ingna chikna mathau tawba ngamanbiyo haina maangna makha chana phongdokhe
I would like to urge on behalf of every medical fraternity of Jnims to the competent authority, to the fellow citizen, to the great citizens of Manipur as a whole and India as a whole to respect us as a human, stop violence against doctors, and at the end, we would like to request competent authority the incident which has happened in Kolkata RG Medical Hospital. Thorough investigation, fair, impartial, judicial inquiry should happen, and whomsoever is responsible, whether they are influential or non-influential, they should be given appropriate maximum or capital punishment. That's our request, that's our hope. And I sincerely hope my fellow citizens, my own government will understand what we are going through, what our fellow colleague, someone's daughter, someone's sister has gone through or might go through in future. So I hope competent authority will take note of that and will take necessary steps.